Clogged washer air trap causing intermittent Suds error. This repair is specific to the Kenmore Elite HE5T washer, model 1104-778-9701, and may be applicable to other models or brands. First, ensure you have a clean drain pump filter. This process is covered in many other YouTube.com videos, so cleaning the drain pump filter is not included here. Another potential cause of the Suds error on the Kenmore washer is a clogged washer air trap. The washer air trap is number 14 in the tub and basket part schematic, which can be found by searching for the model number at SearsPartsDirect.com. As water fills the washer basket, number 11 in the schematic, air is trapped in this part, causing pressure to build in the tube to the water level switch. The washer air trap is behind the rear lower panel and connects to the outer rear tub with an O-ring seal and a screw. It is installed to the left of the drive motor and above the washer tub to pump hose. The dark color visible through the plastic is caused by the buildup of soap scum due to not cleaning the drain pump filter or ever running the clean washer cycle for 17 years. Here is what the clog looked like in the outer rear tub after removing the washer air trap. To avoid separation of the outer rear and front tubs, debris was removed by reaching into the opening with a stiff wire. The wire end was rounded to prevent scratching the plastic. It was used to pull out as much debris as possible, then to scrape all surfaces that could be reached. This loosened debris that would be flushed in subsequent drain cycles. The washer tub to pump hose was also removed, and by reaching through that opening, more debris could be removed. Here is what the clog looked like in the washer air trap after removing it. There is only a very small pinhole through the buildup, which would not allow pressure to increase or decrease properly as the washer basket filled or emptied, which is probably why the washer would only throw the Suds error code intermittently. Note the large tube in the air trap is approximately ½ an inch in diameter after cleaning it. After reassembly, one test load without soap was run successfully without throwing the Suds error code. A clean washer cycle was run, using only bleach, and an amazing amount of debris was left in the washer basket. The drain pump filter was cleaned again and, though much less, it still held a generous amount of debris that was dislodged during the scraping of the outer rear tub and during the clean washer cycle. 6 loads of laundry were run through the machine successfully, without throwing the Suds error code, confirming the repair was successful.